Environment Canada has issued a severe thunderstorm warning. To inhale with this storm near Shooks.
At 3 p.m. in Buffalo, it was partly sunny. It was 88 degrees, or 31 degrees Celsius. The dew point was 64. The National Weather Service has issued Severe Thunderstorm Watch number 452, effective until 10 p.m. This watch includes the following counties in Minnesota: McLeod, Meeker, and Stearns. Remember, a severe thunderstorm watch means the conditions are favorable for the development of severe weather, including large hail and damaging winds, in and close to the watch area. While severe weather may not be imminent, persons should remain alert for rapidly changing weather conditions and listen for later statements and possible warnings. Stay tuned to NOAA weather radio, commercial radio and television outlets, or internet sources for the latest severe weather information.
Tropical Storm Watch has been upgraded to a tropical storm warning for the following area in Connecticut, southern Fairfield. National Weather Service in Mobile has issued a severe thunderstorm warning for northwestern Mobile County in southwestern Alabama until 5 p.m. Central Daylight Time. At 4:19 p.m. Central Daylight Time, a severe thunderstorm was located 6 miles southwest of Gulf Coast, or 11 miles southwest of Citronelle, moving southeast at 10 miles per hour. Hazard: 60 miles per hour wind gusts and nickel-size hail. Source: radar indicated. Impact: expects damage to roofs, siding, and trees. Locations impacted include Chunchula and Gulf Coast. For your protection, move to an interior room on the lowest floor of a building. Repeating, a severe thunderstorm warning has been issued until 5 p.m. Central Daylight Time for the following county: Mobile, Alabama. For your protection, move to an interior room on the lowest floor of a building. Includes 60 miles per hour wind gusts and quarter-size hail. This is a radar-indicated threat. The following impacts are expected. Hail damage to vehicles is expected. Expect wind damage to roofs, siding, and trees. Locations impacted include Willard, Ash Grove, Walnut Grove, Everton, Sackville, Cave Springs. For your protection, move to an interior room on the lowest floor of a building. Large hail and damaging winds and continuous cloud-to-ground lightning is occurring with this storm. Move indoors immediately. Lightning is one of nature's leading killers. Remember, if you can hear thunder, you are close enough to be struck by lightning. Repeating, a severe thunderstorm warning has been issued until 6:15 p.m. Central Daylight Time for the following counties in Missouri: Dade and Greene.